Hi friends, in this video you will see some important problems on sampling theory. Important nothing but we are considering previous year question paper. So VTU previous year question papers. So here first we will consider problems on test of significance of proportions. Okay, so example statement is a coin is tossed 1000 times and head turns up 540 times. Decide on the hypothesis that the coin is unbiased. Right? Here you have one coin. That coin is tossed 1000 times. 1000 times. And there are in that coin heads turns up a 540 times. So you will get a head turns up 540 times. So this using this statement we will decide on the hypothesis that is coin is unbiased. Coin is unbiased. So we know the definition of significance. Significance. So mu is ranging between minus 1.96 to plus 1.96, and also one more is, so that is 95%. If you consider 99%, the nothing but a 5% and 1%. 5% is minus 1.96 to ranging between that is plus 1.96. If it is only 1%, right, only or 99%, right, so that is so minus 2.58 to plus 2.58, right. Now that, so we will see solution of this example. Now here, so given is, let us suppose that the coin is unbiased. Okay, here if it is this unbiased, we have a possibility of success, nothing but a probability of getting a head is one toss. If you have a head is one toss, so generally we are taking probability of getting a head in one toss, so which is equal to, we are taking half 0.5 or 1 by 2, since so here we know that P plus Q equal to 1, right. Here we have value of P, so P plus, you have value of P, right. So 1 by 2 plus Q equal to 1 for Q, this is Q. Okay, so P we have a 1 by 2, so half of the heads are success, like this success. So 1 by 2 plus Q equal to 1. So if you solve this one, Q also 1 by 2. Q also 1 by 2. So P is also 1 by 2, right? Q also 1 by 2. So here, so if you have P is 1 by 2, Q is 1 by 2. Now expected number of heads in 1000 tosses. So given 1000 tosses, so expected number of heads in 1000 tosses is, because just here we have P is 1 by 2, Q is 1 by 2, so we know that expected is N into P, nothing but, so N is 1000 into P is 1 by 2 here, so 2 1 ja 2, 500 ja. So is expected number of heads in 1000 tosses is 500, nothing but NP equal to 500, right. Then actual number of heads they are given, So actual number of heads is, they are given is 540. So given is actual number of heads is 540. Now difference of these. Now difference. So x minus np, nothing but this is x. This is equal to x. Now which is 540 minus 500 equal to 40. So difference of these two is a 40. Now we have a significance relation. Now nothing but a normal standard variate. Now consider z equal to x minus np divided by square root of npq, which is equal to, here difference of x minus np is 40. So 40 divided by, so square root of, here n is 1000, p is 1 by 2, q also 1 by 2. Now here I am considering, sorry, here is simplifying this one. So 40 as it is. Now here 2 1 ja 2, 500 ja. Similarly 2 1 ja 2, 250 ja. Right? Square root of 250. Right? Now use calculator. So square root of 250 is, now here I am using calculator. Right? Now square root of 250 is 15.8. Right? 15.8. Now here we have 40 divided by 15.8. Now 40 divided by 15.8 is 2.5. 2.5. Right? Now z is 2.5. Now if z is 2.5, now thus, because so this is the less than 2.5, you have a range, right? So one range is, or you can take mu, so z is, so minus 1.96, one range aite hadilla. Then another is minus 2.58 and plus 2.58. So this is less than, because only 2.85. So but you have less than 2.5. Now z is 2.5 is less than 2.58. Right? Not this is exactly equal to 2.58. So thus we can say that the coin is unbiased. Coin is unbiased. So this is the example of the first example. So this is important. So such examples they will ask in the examination, final examination. Right? Similarly, we will see one more example. So this is also from question paper example. Now statement is so this example they asked in June 2017 and 19. 2019. Okay. So statement is in 324 throws of a 6-faced die. So previous example we are considering a coin considering, but here you have a cubical die. In cubical die we have a 6 faces, and odd number turned up 180 times. Nothing but you have a 6 faces, 1 2 3 4 5 6, you have 6 faces. Nothing but this face, you know the cubical die, right? This right? You already know this cubical die. In this cubical die we have 6 faces. There are 6 faces. Just assign the numbers, one first phase, second phase, third phase, and so on up to 6 phases. In these 6 phases, an odd number turned up 180 times. When you are throwing the die, so they will look at the odd number of up to turned up the 181 times, right? So remaining are the even number of the cubical die phases. It is reasonable to think that the die is an unbiased one. Same example, previous example whatever we have done, here also same thing procedure we have to follow here also, right? Here also we are following same procedure. So now here here we have probability of turn. So let probability of the turn up and odd number is, so usually if we have a coin we are taking usually P, because we have two faces, right? So one there odd is only one number, even is two number, like this. But here there are 6 faces, odd numbers is 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 odd numbers, so that's why we are taking here P is 3 by 6. Here P is 3 by 6. Total number odd number is 3, so total faces is 6, so which is equal to 1 by 2. So P is 1 by 2. Same thing, there also half of the cases is success and half of the cases is failure. That is what a P and Q. P is the success ratio and Q is the failure ratio, nothing but. So here also same thing, if it is P is 1 by 2, so what about Q? So you know the Q, so 1 minus P. So 1 minus 1 by 2 is again 1 by 2. So Q also 1 by 2. P is 1 by 2 and Q also 1 by 2. Similarly, expected number of success. Expected number of success, right? Success, which is equal to, so we have a total number is 324 into P, so 1 by 2, nothing but N into P, right? So N into P is, so 2 1 ja, here 2 1 ja, right? 2 6 ja and 2 2 ja, so 162, right? NP is, if you can use calculator also, 324 divided by 2, so this is 162.162. NP is 162, nothing but expected number of success. This is expected number of success. Now observe that, so they are given odd number of turned up is 181. Now find the difference. Now difference is x minus NP. Here x is, so 181 minus 162 is, so 19, right? 181 minus 162 is 90. So difference is 90, nothing but, so this is x minus NP, right? X minus NP. Now, so consider now standard normal variate. Now consider now z equal to x minus NP divided by square root of NPQ, which is equal to difference of this x minus NP is, so 90 divided by square root of 324 into 1 by 2. P and Q are the 1 by 2, which is equal to, now here, so we know that this is 2 1 jar 2 162 jar. Similarly 2 1 jar 2 81 jar, right? 2 81 jar 162. Now which is 19 by square root of 81. So you know the square root of perfect square of 81 is now 19 by 9. So 19 by 9 is 19 by 9. So 19 divided by 9 is 2.1. 2.1. So this also so less than 2.58, right? Now Z is 2.1, so which is less than 2.58. 2.58, not exactly 2.58. So thus we conclude that the die is unbiased. This is the example. So only either if it is can case coin, so same procedure. If it is asked in the unbiased ones, so if we have a die, so same procedure, same thing. But in coin we have only 2 faces, in die having a 6 faces. This is the difference, right?